Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use My AI feature on Snapchat. So My AI is a powerful feature on Snapchat that allows you to have conversations with an AI assistant. And this is how you are going to use it. First, you can just open the Snapchat and then swipe right. In here you'll find the chat tab, and here is where you can access the My AI. So at the top of the chat list, you'll see a purple chat bubble with My AI written on it. You can just tap on it to start a conversation. So if you want to start chatting, here you can just type your message in the text box, and you can also just wait for the response. You can ask question, make requests, or simply have a casual conversation. So let's try. Tell me the weather tomorrow, for example. Here you can just click on send and just wait for the response. Okay, so you can see, yeah, there also this suggestion of what your response might be. Okay, how to okay, for example, you can just ask anything in here, and they will respond to you. So you can also try this. You can use your Snapchat camera to, for example, snap something and ask them to translate it. Here I'm going to capture this, for example, and then here you need to click on send to, choose the My AI, click on send, and in here you can just translate it into English, for example. Let's see if it works. Okay, you can see that it doesn't understand me, so you can just try or just ask the anything. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can use My AI on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.